Simple Evaluation Report. The Simple Evaluation Report will only show if the tender was configured to use the Simple Evaluation type. The report can be accessed either by opening the Bid Evaluation Report, or selecting the Detailed Score Report in the Comparison Report list. Open the Bid Evaluation Report, and scroll down to view the scores. Both the technical and commercial totals, and weighted scores for each vendor will show in a bar chart. To view more details, click the View Detailed Score Report button. Select the vendors to include and click the Build Report button. The overview screen will list each of the documents that have been scored, giving the total document scores for each vendor. The totals for all the documents are calculated at the bottom of the overview screen. Click a document link to open the document, to see the requirements and the individual scores for each item. Access to the Messenger and Vendor Response windows are also available, by clicking the magnifying icon.